Hi, my name is Jovana and I'm going to talk about Independence Day tradition in Mexico. Independence Day is one of the most anticipated and important traditions for Mexicans. At the beginning of September, the colors of the flag are in everywhere. This tradition is a public celebration, and this means that schools and business are closed for because it's a day off. The history of Independence Day begins when Miguel Hidalgo rises up in arms to fight for our freedom. This is celebrated on 15th of September for each year when we met to give the grito. How is celebrated? Our families usually gather to celebrate Independence Day with typical dishes like pozole, tamales, enchiladas, and other and some food, and tequila and like parties. We celebrated Independence Day with fireworks, parties, fiestas, food, dance, music, flags, and some things. After celebrating with parties and meals, the next day there is a parade with the military that runs through the Zócalo and ends to the National Auditorium. Where is celebrated? It is celebrated in Mexico, but Mexicans are everywhere. Like Salma Hayek said it well to presence of Mexican spirit in all countries. Places like Paris, Amsterdam, London, Berlin, New York, Chicago, and Tokyo, you will find celebration of during this great day. And it's all. Thank you.